The Seven Hills Estates, a large property of about 650 flats, came up near Puri Sea Beach around 2007-2008. Since then, more than 500 persons from all over the country and abroad, including many senior citizens, have purchased studio apartments or flats of different categories at costs ranging from 6 to even 25 lakhs in this resort. However, many aspects of the building have still remained incomplete even after so many years. The flats of more than 80 buyers have still not been completed and handed over to the respective buyers, even after full payment to the builder since a long time. Many common facilities of the establishment like staircases, lifts, water and electricity connections, parking area, sewerage, fire safety and approach roads have remained incomplete, because of which the flats which had been handed over to the owners over the years are not yet habitable.
2012 मसीह गोटे फ्लाट नहीं मो फ्लाट नंबर हूँ 5075 मुझे फ्लाट किणापी कि 23 लाख टंका देती आ छड़ा से मोठू आहरी 35,000 टंका नहीं गोटे एक्सट्रा मनी आउ से मत कहते वर्षे भितर मत से घर हैंडओवर कर.
The entire building has been deteriorating very fast because of its complete lack of maintenance by the builder. Moreover, the lack of any security arrangement has also resulted in rampant damage and theft of whatever scanty furniture and accessories that had been supplied by the builder.
एटी पाखापाखि 660 फ्लाट अच्छी प्राय 90% रूम रे किसी ना सब रूम आम देखुचु रूम लॉक गुड़ाक सब तड़ा हो जाए जिनस पत्र सब चोरी गला सब छिन छतर हो पड़ी ये भाव में अवस्था पड़ी सब.
The Seven Hills Estates Flat Owners Association, formed in 2015, had several rounds of negotiations with the builder to complete all the remaining works of the project. But he never kept any of his commitments, and there was absolutely no progress.
2008 मसीह सेवेन हिल्स श्रीनिवास मेटू किनी मोर रूम नंबर हूँ 2125 से इन्वेस्टमेंट नियरली मतलब 11 लाख 25 प्रथम नहीं फर्निशिंग करने आउ 3 लाख ने प्रथम से घर जो देते गोटे मीटिंग रही मीटिंग कल मोर ये सब भंगा रुजा रही आनी से फर्निशिंग कले चाबी टाइप से रखिले कहले आम जो फुल हैंड ओवर देवु कहले आपन को ये घर हैंड ओवर देदेबु से घर बर्तमान जिनस कबाटा भांगी देती चाबीटा पाखे अच्छी कबाट भंगा पूरा रूम खोला अच्छी एसी चोरी फ्रिज चोरी डैमेज कंडीशन रही उई पुई लग गले तेणु एम जो रही धीरे धीरे नष्ट हो.
Therefore, being left with no other option, the association had to finally approach the court of law to get proper justice.
कोर्ट हियरिंग्स कला जदि ऑर्डर देवे आम बिल्डर को देकी करेबू मॉडिफिकेशन करेबू और एक्स्ट्रा पैसा देकी अपेक्षा कर कोर्ट डिसीजन जिते शीघ्र हम से शीघ्र आम काम आरंभ कर धीरे धीरे पूरा डैमेज नष्ट हो सब.
In due course of this process, an affidavit was submitted by the builder to the Honorable High Court to complete all the works by December 2018, but he completely defied his own commitment. A clear-cut order by ORERA to complete the project by September 2019 was also completely disregarded by him. Thus, this legal battle is proving to be a long process, needing not only plenty of patience and expenses, but the inordinate delay in getting the legal justice is also hitting the hapless buyers very hard. Unable to sustain the long wait for justice, quite a few seniors have already closed their eyes.
बहु कष्ट से पैसा अरेंज करती रिटायरमेंट पर मोर जो पैसा किसी मिलता से पैसा मुझे इन्वेस्टमेंट करती कि बर्तमान किसी है ना घर ना से पूरा खाली पड़ी से रूमटा जहाँ टिके किसी कौन थिला से बर्तमान किसी ना सब नष्ट हो पड़ी.
Furthermore, the association has made fervent appeals to various authorities, including the high offices of the Honorable Prime Minister as well as the Honorable Chief Minister of Orissa. But sadly enough, there has been no response till date. Attracted by its location in the Nilachal Dham and proximity to the temple of Lord Jagannath, hundreds of buyers had invested their hard-earned money in the resort. Many had also availed hefty loans from the banks for the same. But today, the sad picture of devastation suggests that the purpose for which so many people had invested their money in this project at Puri has tarnished into a destroyed and distant dream.